my kick, I'm lengthening. Right? Hi everybody, in this video today, we're gonna work on how to improve your round kick, especially if you have tight hips, okay? So a common issue that I see with beginners when they're throwing round kicks is that they throw a kick like this, and this might be you, right? Where they kick, and the hips are not lined up to the kick, right? Your body's kind of crunched like that, right? Now, when you kick like that over time, it's actually going to kind of cause some strain in your hip flexor. So that's something you want to avoid. When you throw a round kick, you want to lengthen your hip as much as you can, so you get the full range of motion, you get the most power. Plus, it'll not strain your hip so much, right? Because when you do this a lot, that kind of crunching motion, that's gonna kind of grind over time, and we want to avoid that. So how do you fix that? So here's what you're gonna do. First of all, you're gonna take your shin, you're gonna place it across the bag. Now, if your hips are like this, right, all I want you to do, I want you to lengthen like that, and then take this hand right here. Okay, so I'll show you again from this angle. So my shin's across, I'm here, I'm gonna lengthen just like that, right? You can see the difference in my hip. I'm lengthening. Now, not only do I lengthen my hip, I also turn my shoulder past the bag, right? So I'm here, I lengthen my hip, and I turn my shoulder a little past the bag, right? And as I do that, that's gonna give me that straight line that I want when I throw my round kick, okay? So here's the drill you're gonna practice. You're gonna put your knee up here. You're gonna go 1, set down. 2, set down, right? Working on extending that hip, right? And if you can, even picking up the heel. Although in the beginning, right, you may not necessarily have to do that if you're just work on your hip, but work on one thing at a time. So now, after you do that, maybe 10 reps or so, then try to kick and try to have that same feeling where you're lengthening, right? So when I throw my kick, I'm lengthening, right? Right here, and even you can freeze it a little bit, right? You can freeze it and then take it back. Okay, so that's just a quick tip to fix your hip flexors. If you guys are looking for a online program that's going to teach you how to use Taekwondo kicks under the context of Muay Thai, kickboxing, MMA, I have a group on School. You guys can check it in the description below. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless you all. See y'all next time.